Hello, Algebra II students. Today is Tuesday, October 6th. I have a bunch of announcements I want to get to you, so instead of typing them out, I figured I'd make this video. I'll try to keep it brief. First one is tons of people have been asking me about, hey, the online book's not working, right? And there's a flaw with it. I put in a request. Hopefully it'll be fixed soon. In the meantime, my workaround is on any of the book assignments. So you can see we got another book assignment today. When you click on it, I tried to highlight it in red right here, but if you go down and look, the pages are right here. So you'll just click on them and then it'll have like the relevant problem numbers. So it's a workaround for now. Hopefully the book will be working soon, but yeah, that's the workaround. So any book assignment, they'll have them on there now, 2.8, 2 point, or 3.481, right? All of those should be on there, right? You can keep uploading them here. If you have a tough time uploading them, if you are a hybrid kid, remember you can just turn them in paper copies to me when you are in class. Okay, other note about assignments is I'm going to go through and zero them out today, right, for chapter 2. So they were due actually last week. So I'm going to zero, meaning you can't do them anymore. And I think going forward, that's what I want to do for each test. Once you take the test, I'm going to go back and zero them out. The reason being, I want you to focus on the current material because that I think will help you be best ready for the next test. That being said, those you wanted to retest chapter 2, you have until we take our next test, which if you look on the side here, you can see when it's coming up for the A day, B day, and distance learners. So if you're retaking 2, let's get on it right away. I am available to meet today because the students are taking the ACT, seniors are taking the ACT, so I'm around it all day. You can just email me the time you'd like to meet. One other update, I'm going to start using this thing. I think a few teachers have been using it where you can update or schedule a time to meet with me using this little calendar thing. So I started using it. The link is right on our main page, schedule a time to meet with Mr. Westpatal. You click on that, and then you just click on the time slot you want. And most days I can meet after school. I'm teaching during the day, except on Fridays, anytime Friday pretty much I can meet. I'm going to try and get these down to like 15-minute increments right now. The free account won't let me do that, but I think they'll let me change it so I can get it to different increments. Today I can actually meet because of the ACT. It's a weird day because I don't have students with me. So if you did want to sign up for time today, I guess you just have to email me because this isn't going to work. So I think that's it. Please reach out if you have any questions or any of that doesn't make sense. Yeah. Oh, quiz tomorrow too. I forgot to say that. Quiz tomorrow on chapter 3. Yeah, that's it. Have a good day.